Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhamad Haziq bin Bahari from GIM104B.
My name is Haqim bin Baharudin.
My name is Imran.
My name is Aiman Syakir.
My name is Amirah Shamimi binti Sufian.
For the introduction, we will explain the requirement of Nawal. Nawal is the UiTM student that's look for the computer for her work such as assignments and to feed her in leisure time. We will propose the specification that is suitable for her needs. So, Nawal was need a computer that is accessible during work for her assignments, authority works, programming, playing games, and watching movies. She also want a computer that have a large storage capacity and the DVD player drive. So, we will propose for her mid-level specification of a personal computer that is powerful and affordable rather than a laptop. Is much considered for the higher spec.
So our group decided to suggesting Nawal for using a motherboard from Ryzen, which is 8200M DVD. So there is ES Rock Super Alloy, support AMD socket AM4A series APUS and Ryzen series, support DDR4 3200 plus Ryzen and 2400A series. Graphic output is HDMI, DVID and DSUB. 7.1 channel HD audio, 4 SATA 3 and 1 Ultra M.2 and 6 USB 3.1 Gen 1 and little gigabyte length. Next is for the casing. So the casing is we suggested for using Eclipse P400. The dimension is 200 mm times 465 mm times 470 mm. The form factor is mid-tower. Material is from steel, and motherboard support is ATX, micro ATX and mini ATX, and front I/O is 2 times USB 3.0, mic, headphone, reset and LED control, and there has slide window. So there has many colors, which is black, grey and white, and for the price is 200 until 300.
So, for the next recommended PC hardware for Nawal is the processor. We have proposed Nawal to buy the Intel Core i5-9400F. The key features of this processor is it has 6 core and 6 thread, 2.9 GHz clock speed and 4.1 GHz maximum turbo frequency. It features higher memory bandwidth, which is the processor has better chance to resolve memory. It supports memory types of DDR4 to 666 MHz and can handle up to 128 GB of RAM. Also, it features large number of cores that helps this microprocessor to tackle multiple applications or heavily multi-threaded tasks. Some multi-threaded applications would be web browsers that can download any numbers of files and web pages at the same time and still let you to continue browsing the computer. The next example is computer games. Computer games also listed as multi-threaded application as it has various objects like cars, human, birds, and building which are implemented as separate threads. Also, playing the background music at the same time while playing the game is an example of multi-threading, which means Nawal can listening to music on YouTube while doing her assignment or while playing games on her new PC. So, the price comes with 629 ringgit, which is pretty worth for the budget price for Nawal to build for her PC that can handle video rendering and games. Next is the system memory, which is the Kingston HyperX Fury memory. The specification for this memory is it runs at 1.2 volt and has the speed of DDR4 to 686 MHz. It doesn't need higher voltage to reach higher speed because it has more power for other hardware in the system. It comes with 8GB of RAM per stick of memory, but we propose to Nawal to buy 2 sticks of 8GB memory, which provides 16GB of RAM, because this will significantly improve the PC performance as it runs on dual channel module that doubling its potential speed. It will give dramatic advantage for Nawal in rendering, compiling, and encoding for her authoring and software of programming. The dual channel RAM also provide future-proof for Nawal computer, as the 16GB of RAM will have the sweet spot for future use of the PC, so Nawal doesn't need to upgrade her memory in a long time. The price comes with only 319 ringgit and very reasonable, as it provides with 2 sticks of gig memory of RAM for the dual channel. With this price, Nawal can save a lot of money for her spending on other items. Next is the graphic card, which is the MSI GeForce GTX 1650 Gaming X4G GDDR5. The GTX 1650 can fill the role as one of the best budget graphic card. It is superseded from the previous generation of graphic card, which is the GTX 1050. For the specification, the GTX 1650 has 4GB of virtual memory of GDDR5 and 896 cores, which can speed up video rendering and gaming performance from 15 to 35% from the previous graphic card architecture. Next, the GTX 1650 has a core clock of 1665 MHz that's significantly 50% faster from the previous graphic card, which is the GTX 1050. As we propose this graphic card to Nawal, it can be overclocked to 1860 MHz, which provides more performance boost for the PC. It also can support digital resolution maximum to 8K quality graphics, which can be eye-soothing and enjoyable experience for Nawal while watching videos and movies. The price comes with only 806 ringgit, which is very reasonable price for a latest generation of budget graphic card that Nawal can afford nowadays. For summarization, it can handle modern game with decent performance, support up to 8K quality resolution, and very suitable for students who wants to gaming while using authoring software for programming like Nawal. Next up is the SSD and hard disk. For the SSD, we recommended Nawal to buy GB 256GB M2 PCIe SSD. For the specification, it comes with total of 256GB, which is enough for programs and a decent amount of data to store. It also has outstanding performance, as the SSD provides decent performance for daily computing tasks, which has the sequential read speed up to 1200 MB per second and sequential write speed up to 800 MB per second. This will help Nawal for faster data transferring experience and significantly reducing the programs and file load times. It has warranty up to 3 years, which is very good for Nawal if she encounters any problem or faulty with the SSD, so she can easily replace a new one for free of charge. And it comes with only Rm 205 ringgit, which is very reasonable price for an SSD nowadays. For the hard disk, we recommended Nawal to buy Seagate Barracuda 1TB HDD. The internal hard disk of Seagate Barracuda comes with 1TB of storage that is suitable size storage for PC. The 1TB version has 7200 RPM speed and 64 MB cache. It comes with original 2 years warranty by Seagate Malaysia. The advantage of this hard disk is it is a versatile HD disk for all PC needs that bring industry-leading excellence in personal computing. Secondly, it has advanced power modes that help save energy without sacrificing performance of the PC. Thirdly, Seagate provides this hard disk with self-encrypting drive, or we can call as SED, hardware-based data security, and delivers an instant security erase feature for safe, fast, and easy drive retirement. The price comes with Rm184 which is considered as cheap and reasonable for an internal hard disk drive that has 1 TB storage. For the last hardware is the DVD-ROM, which is we recommended now to buy Asus 24X DVD-RW internal optical drive. We propose the recommended optical drive models for both DVD and Blu-ray that comes with good value for money model for now on. So the Asus 24X DVD-RW internal optical drive specification is it has the size of 5.25 inch internal drive, which is compatible with the Fantex Eclipse P400 casing. It can read and write both CDs and DVDs with the connection of SATA. The write speed is 8x, that is equally to 10.57 MB per second transfer rate. The advantage of this DVD-ROM is it has extreme 24x DVD writing speed with AMD support eGreen, and eGreen, which is save over 50% of power consumption and double the disk security through password control and hidden file name functionality. It comes with Rm73 and considered as reasonable price for students like Nawal that wants to save money in building new PC. Next, we move on to software. First, it comes with pre-installed Windows 10 Pro version 20H2 with the latest cumulative and monthly updates that provide smooth user experience and ensuring secure real-time virus protection. Second, it pre-installed with utility software with latest version of Microsoft Office 2019, including Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneDrive, OneNote, and Access, and also Microsoft 365 featuring Microsoft Access for Nawal to easily create database app and completing her assignment. Third, it pre-installed with full version of Adobe Creative Cloud Collection 2020, including Adobe Dreamweaver, Adobe Premiere, and Adobe Director for Nawal to use this authoring software in video and photo editing. Fourth, with high-performance graphic card and processor, Nawal can easily run programming software such as C++ and VB.NET, which is a Visual Basic software, to do programming in her assignment. Lastly, it comes with a pre-installed Malwarebytes Premium version as an antivirus software to protect the PC from any malware and ransomware attack by intelligently scanning and quarantine automatically of any suspicious virus detection.
I will propose input devices for Nawal PC. There are 3 types of input devices that we are proposed for Nawal in order for her to use her PC efficiently. The first type is mouse, second is keyboard, and the third is webcam. For mouse, we suggest to use Logitech M170 wireless mouse. The main reason why I suggest that kind of mouse because I'm wearing this mouse too. Logitech M170 wireless mouse is strong, consistent wireless connection that can distance up to 10 meters away. M170 wireless mouse also is truly plug and play mouse, so we need to just insert the receiver into a USB port on the computer and begin using it right away. The battery included may work up to a year between battery changes, but for me, I already use this mouse without changing the battery for 3 years. So we look to Logitech M170 wireless mouse technical specification. The connection type is 2.4 GHz wireless. Wireless range is 10 meter. Battery included is pieces of AA battery. Battery life 1 year, and the price is RM49. For keyboard, we suggest Nawal to get HP K300 gaming keyboard. HP K300 gaming keyboard is an elegant and minimalist design gaming keyboard. It is highly durable with double shot injection keycaps. This keyboard model is very suitable for Nawal because it have LED backlight, so Nawal can do their work in dark or low light space. For example, at the night, HP K300 gaming keyboard is the best choice for Nawal because the quality is good as the price is reasonable for normal user like students who just doing assignment, play movie, and do some normal graphic work. Now we go to HP K300 technical specification. The connection type is USB wired. Number of button is 104. Button press distance is 2 mm. Rated voltage is direct current 5 volts. Number of multimedia button is 6. Cable length is 1.8 meter. It's quite long. It comes with black and white color, and the price is only RM75. For webcam, we suggest Nawal to get Logitech C270 HD webcam. In order Nawal to have better experience in video call, video conferencing, or during online course that require face-to-face interaction in online, Nawal needs a webcam on her PC. So Logitech C270 HD webcam is a best choice of webcam that available in the world of PC market. With built-in microphone, Nawal not need to buy another separate microphone. So Nawal can experience sharp smooth video calling in a web screen format. Also, Nawal can make high definition video calls on a platform like Google Hangout, Google Meet, Skype, and many more. This webcam can produce smooth video quality and colorful images. The best features of this webcam is even if user are video calling or recording in dim surrounding, it can adjust to the lighting condition to produce brighter and contrast image. So we look to this webcam technical specifications. The max resolution is 724p or 30 frames per second. Focus type is fixed focus. Lens technology is standard. Built-in microphone is mono. Field of view 60 degree. Cable length is 1.5 meter, and the price is 129 ringgit.
Alright, on my part, I will recommend the output device for Nawal. So the first thing she needs is a monitor. So we suggest to Nawal a monitor from Acer, which is a K2 series, K242 HQL model. That is the latest model from Acer. This 24-inch monitor is very suitable for Nawal because it comes with the ergonomic stand tilts, which is it can tilt from -5 degrees until 25 degrees. Besides, with 23.6-inch screen size, Nawal don't have to worry about the screen display because it comes with the comfort view. Comfort display might help Nawal to prevent the reflection to provide comfort eyes view. So for the port, it comes with 3 ports, which is the HDMI ports, the VGA ports, and the DVI port. The price is only 369 ringgit and you can purchase it on the Acer official website. But if you want a cheaper price, you can purchase it on Shopee or Lazada. So the next output device that we suggest to Nawal is a printer because as we understand for a student, she must have a very Next, the output device that we suggest to Nawal is a printer because as we understand for a student, she must.
For the conclusion, we optimize this proposal is fulfill the Nawal needs and requirement for her computer. So the proposal component is suitable for Nawal for her works and leisure time. As from the price, there's quite a good price range as the computer already and no need for the highest cost. So the proposed components is fill Nawal needs such as a letter software, big capacity storage and the DVD drive. So this PC specification will works without problem for next 5 years. So we hope that this proposal will convince Nawal for quite this computer specification.